Check. Let's make sure this is working. What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good early afternoon from Lagos, Nigeria. Just arrived on the weekend. Happy to be here. West Africa. The sun hits hard in this country. Whoo! So we're sitting at 42.8K. We're down 0.4 on the day. Seeing a market cap 834 billion. 24-hour volume 20 billion. Let's hop to the chart. So I think it's likely we're going to go through an ABC correction after that little bit of a flash crash, dumperoo. We may create one more lower low to complete the wave A, but if we bounce from here, I'd look for a rejection in between 45.3 and 47.5 in a wave B. Look for a three-wave move, and then potentially come down in a wave C to complete the wave 4. So if we look at this chart here, what I'm looking at is we're putting in this large wave 3, which is a 5-wave move, and I think it's likely we went 1, 2, this is all a wave 3. Right now you're A, B, C into a 4, you push up into 5. Remember how I talked about us staying in that range of about 38 to 50 to 55K for the next 3 months or so? I think that's the likely scenario. As you can see, massive bearish divergence on the daily. We already crossed the 50 line, so it is likely we do make it down to oversold, which would allow us to put in that wave C to complete the wave 4 before bouncing back to the upside. And taking a look at the DXY, as you can see, we're just hugging that neckline there. So if we start to break that neckline, we push up out of this inverse head and shoulders. That would be negative for BTC and should cause a drop in the price. You may see a little bit more pullback first before the bounce, but I would expect that pattern to break out to the upside, which is negative for the price of BTC. So that's what I'm looking at. Push up potentially in a three-wave move. We may create a little bit of a lower low first. See a rejection come down in the wave 4, which could take you down. The maximum retracement is about 37.4K, but I would expect 37, 38, 39K in that wave C before bouncing back to the upside, and potentially that would give you another long trade opportunity. I may give a signal for that in the Discord. We're currently in trades for XRP, Gala, and VeChain. If you want complete free access to my trade signals, sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. Grab those bonuses and then email me after you make your first deposit. I'll give you completely free access to my VIP rooms, my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, crypto news, member profits, Forex signals, Forex analysis, trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place. Mahado all plays. If you want direct access, it's $10 a month. We have over 2,600 members, but you can have completely free access with the sign up and deposit to BITUNIX, and then just send me an email. I'll give you access. All right, gang, make sure to smash up that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.